Well, hi everyone, and a warm welcome back to the channel. Today we're on a lovely campsite just 8 miles away from home here in Norfolk, right by the Norfolk Broads. So of course, while we were here, we had to take a boat down the river for the day. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we're coming to you today from the Willowcroft Camping and Caravan Park at Repswith, Bastwick, near Potterham.
Every time I see the sun, a rooster crows for days. And every time I see that gal, she always looks away. Hell, she always looks away. Hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, back where I belong. Hold on, baby, baby, just hold on. Sunday morning meeting time, I hear them church bells ring. You ought to seen them late last night go out and shake that thing. They went out and shake that thing. Oh, hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, back where I belong. Yeah, baby, hold on, baby, baby, just hold on. Well, in the shade I waste my days, tonight I go to town. Well, I'm upstairs with them good time gals, always going down. Yeah, they're always going down. Hold on, baby, just hold on. I'll be coming home, yeah, back where I belong. Baby, won't you hold on?
That's not it. What's this sign say? Something for
The
sale.
Cluckery.
Free range eggs for sale. Firewood. Not in there. By the look of it. You'd think it'd have a sign, wouldn't you?
Well, there it is.
Where? Oh,
Right
yeah.
there.
Is it?
Well, there's all caravans behind it.
Yeah, but is this the one?
Tinker's Rest.
Is in the sign for
Hang on, there's a sign there.
Tinkers. You know what a tinker is, don't you?
Hang on a minute. It's got an arrow.
30 metres
Reception house on the left.
What's this? Well,
Please drive slow.
so how are you supposed to get in there then?
Just hang on a minute. Probably up this bit, is it?
I don't know. You better go and check out, Elm. I don't think you get in there.
Yeah, you do, I think.
I don't think you do.
You go around it.
Well, it's a damn good pitch we've got here. Quite happy with it, I have to say. Let me just spin around. Helen's just drying her hair on pitch 20 here. And it's done nothing but rain since we've got here. Had some thunderstorms and stuff. So it's not particularly busy. But what I do like about it is it's really off the beaten track, this place. That's the owner's house and sort of office just over the road there. And then you come in through the tracks along here. We're on this pitch 20, as I said, which is particularly good. I really like it. It's a grass pitch, but it's actually quite a hard pitch because there was a little roadway underneath it, so it's nice and solid, so it's not boggy at all, which is really good. And then it just loops around, really, sort of curls around over the back there. I'll take you for a walk in a second. And back round, and we're situated on Staithe Road, which is just off the Reps Road at Repswood, Bastwick, near Potter Higham, and turned off Church Lane, I think it's called, and then down Staithe Road. And it does get a little bit, as you'll see on the entry in, it does get a little bit single track, but passing places are plenty, and some good sized vans and a massive motorhome next door, so no problem getting on here at all. Got to tell you, we're really enjoying it here. I've popped down to this corner of the site because there's a cuckoo who keeps giving it large, but every time I rock up he stops. I reckon he's watching me. Anyway, let's see if we can catch him. It does feel a bit more like summer today, I tell you. Despite some big old clouds about, it's really warm. T-shirt weather, that's for sure. So all those buildings you can see over there, they're riverside properties, little chalets. Look like sheds, don't they, from here? But you might just be able to make out, I don't know if you will from here actually, but there's a boat just going down the River Thurn in the distance. Can't zoom in on the GoPro, or at least I don't think I can. And right alongside the pitch we have toilet block. Little wash up area in here. There's also a fridge and a freezer which you can use. DVD exchange, that's good. The local lowdown inside. Yeah. This is quite a good magazine, I've seen this before, all about the Norfolk Broads. It's called The Broadcaster. Now just checking out the teddy bears having a picnic in this garden. Look at that. That's lovely, isn't it?
It is nice,
yeah. Yeah. Got a little windmill there. Very good. So we've just walked down from the campsite down the Staithe Road to the actual Staithe itself, which is where you would launch your little boat if you had one. I don't think you'd be able to launch a big boat down here, but a small boat, sailing boat, dinghy or something. There's a yes, and there's a holiday cruiser just going by in the background.
Lovely day today, really warm.
Beautiful, isn't it, Helen?
Yeah.
First decent day.
Yeah.
We've had some torrential rain again in the night, hence all these puddles everywhere. I did think at one point we might be getting the animals in 2x2, but yeah, I don't think it's going to be too long before we get more rain. A couple of swans and a couple of ducks here as well. Look. Let's go have a little nose. Hello. Hello. Nice boat over there. So just down the way is the Herbert Woods boatyard at Postlehome. It's lovely on the river today. Weather like this, no issue whatsoever getting a suntan. We were hoping we might hire a boat for an hour or so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Picnic.
Yeah. Right, we're off now. We're off. Well, that just about winds things up for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. We had a fabulous stay here at Willowcroft, and we paid £32 per night for our stay on a full service pitch. We did 3 nights. We didn't go home from here. Oh no, we had to move up the Norfolk Broads a little further. Went to the Caravan and Motorhome club site at Ludham Bridge. It's called the Norfolk Broads Caravan and Motorhome club site. And in our next video, we'll show you all around there as well. So, if you have been, as always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one coming your way very soon. Bye for now.